Greetings, everyone, with Ray Ferraro downstairs and Eddie Olczyk upstairs. I'm Mike Emery. We're in Nashville, where fans have changed a playoff tradition of not throwing an octopus. They throw catfish. But before we get started here, the thoughts of Eddie Olczyk.
Time to crank it up to 11. This city has come alive, and you can hear it loudest coming from Section 303. The fans are into it and share a sense of excitement, fun, and pride when the Predators take the ice.
Matt Duchene, one of the Canadian-born players to earn Olympic gold in Sochi, and when he broke in with the Avalanche, was on the all-rookie team. Play stopped. Hey, Ray, you've got a closer look than we do. What are you noticing?
This has always been a little bit of a fun place to play. If you're a player, you've kind of liked the atmosphere. Over the last couple of years, this has exploded into one of the league's most loud markets.
Okay, Ray, thank you. The Predators, through the neutral zone, accelerate to the line. A shot hits the post and out. Got iron with the shot. Well, fired one and it got the post. Looks to make a play. Missed the net. Really solid possession and pressure. Not done yet, though. Hammers one. Got a piece of it with the glove. Back to the point. Drilled one. Wonderful save. Gets it back. Palat's tripped up. That should be a penalty. The Predators are boxed on a tripping minor.
Give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
Tampa Bay is getting the edge for the first time tonight with a power play.
Chasing the game is a losing proposition night after night. You get on the board first, you win way more than you lose. A power play can give you that advantage.
Just fired it wide.
You got to hit the net from there. I thought for sure he'd at least get it on net, but the goalie didn't even have to make a save.
Shoots, gloved. Pitching it to Richardson. Gains the zone. Shoots. Turned away with a stick. Tampa Bay's in their own end and controlling the play. On to Killorn. He wore that puck on a hard shot. Lets it go. Save. Clock bleeding down on the power play. Tampa Bay's power play could have made a big difference, but did not. Recovery by Forsberg. He's got it. Directing that one to Palat. Skilled play by Ellis. He's slowed down a bit, and there'll be a hooking penalty called on this one. Tampa Bay's roster goes down by one here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
Well, what he was trying to do is trying to get the puck, but unfortunately for him, he reached in and hooked around the player. Off to the penalty box he goes.
The Predators are hoping to get 1 out of 1 on the power play.
The numbers show if you get the first goal, you have a way better chance to win than if you're chasing the game. A power play, what a great chance here to get on the board first.
Lets it go. Oh, what a save. He brought his best shot, and it got stopped.
McElhinney's save rings of desperation here. That shot changed direction, and he had to get back to make the save.
Over 7 minutes gone in this period. Still nothing on the score sheet yet. Puck drop, face-off one, and the winger stepped right in. Nashville's going back further to get restarted on this man advantage. Shoots one. Outstanding work with the glove. The Predators win it. They stick well. It's dumped in. Nashville's in their own end, moving the puck. Pass attempt to Killorn. has it back deep. Puck is thrown to Arvidsson. And now it's directed to Forsberg. From the slot of wrister. Marvelous save. A great chance was no chance.
I don't know how much of this puck he stopped, guys, but it was just enough to keep it out of the net.
Okay, they win the draw. Howitzer! Great save. Tried, but it didn't work. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. He throws it there, blockered away. And he puts the glove on it and stops play. Whistle is blown, penalty called, and the penalty box door swings open. The Predators get a minor penalty for roughing.
Well, I think the officials have done a really good job here tonight, but this one has crossed the line. Cannot get your hands up after a hit.
Tampa Bay's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet.
They've been on the power play before. It's not been very effective, but they get another one handed to them here.
Time of the penalty, 12 minutes, 18
Takes it in from the neutral zone. Dangles in tight. Oh, the pass just didn't work. Nicely received at the point. Score! A power play goal, and it's a biggie.
Always better to play from in front than to chase the game. There's the game's first goal.
So we played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
Nashville's got another face-off win.
by number 27.
Crosses that line. Flings it. Save.
And by number 37.
Dogged determination there by Forsberg.
12 minutes, 57 seconds.
Trying to get rid of that puck. Oh, that's a good keep. That's a great keep at the line. Not enough to get it out. Big drive. Great save. Out to the point with it now. Howitzer. Superb save by McElhinney. Pitching this one to Duchesne. The Predators skated up on the side. Strong wrister. Score! And the game is even.
We came into the game, guys, thinking these teams were evenly matched. Now we've played some of this contest, and here we are back in a stalemate.
The Predators with a center ice face-off win.
By number 33, Victor Arvidsson, assisted by number 95.
Goes back deep for it. Passing one off now to Johnson.
Time of the goal.
Tries to get it on net. Deflected off the blocker. Driving in from no man's land. Got his pad on that one. Score! 2 straight goals.
The next little bit will be crucial. Now that they've got the lead, how do they play with it?
The Predators have broken the tie. Perhaps they can build on this lead here in the first period. got the draw.
Predators goal. Scored by number
Thrown up the middle to Goodrow.
Yarncroke. Assisted by number 60.
Terrific interception.
And by number 92.
We're in the last minute. Let's see if anything changes. Lets it go. Can't get it on net.
Well, that's a good scoring chance. He's trying to be too fine, trying to pick the corner. Sometimes you've just got to shoot it at the middle of the net.
A howitzer. Terrific save there. Didn't look like he had anything to shoot at, and he made it tough.
That was a tougher stop than it looked.
The first period has come to an end. We started in a scoreless tie. At least we have a score now, but it's not tough. These two teams are separated by just a goal. Let's check out the shots on goal, and one gets an exclamation point. Listen to this. An enormous 17 for the Predators and 6 for the Lightning.
If you want to show us your accuracy, register now for our Shoot to Win contest.
The difference in the game is just one goal, and it came late in that period. Will it springboard to something more in the second? We'll see, but for now, we go to break. We have 20 minutes down. We have lots of time still to go. What are your thoughts so far, Edson?
Tampa Bay's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
An enormous hit.
Stamkos didn't have his head up, and he got smoked here.
Breaks away. Oh, and he robbed it.
Tampa Bay's been outplayed for most of this night, but their goaltender has kept them in it. He's been exceptional throughout.
One-timer. Wow, what a glove save. Trying to go to Duchesne, moving it to Forsberg. Lets it go. Oh, and he missed the net.
When the puck sounds hard, when it hits the end boards, that means you've missed the net. Scoring chance is handed away.
Scorches one. Save there. Holds on and gets that whistle.
Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
Critical win of the draw. That hit somebody. Quick wrister. Oh, what a save. Oh, great defensive play to intercept. They've got a 2-on-1. A great wrist shot. Oh, what a save that was. Snapping a pass to Yarncroc. It's all on his shoulders. Slid to Johansson. And quickly to Benning. Offside is called. And so a neutral zone faceoff.
Oh, he'll take shots like that all night. Keep feeding him those muffins. He's going to stop every one of them.
They've won the faceoff. Nicely into the zone. Great job in his own end with that interception. Fires. Just missed the net with that one.
You know what, Doc? I could see why he missed the net. There was nothing there. He tried to be too fine.
Pitching it to Goodrow. Takes that pass from the other point. What a shot, and he got his glove on it. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Steps across that line. Puck loose, now picked up. Directing that one to Tolvanen. Wonderful wrist shot. Rang it off the post. Stick handling failed a little bit there. Puck loose. He scores! 3 in a row.
hard you shoot it, but it's the release that counts, and he snaps it home.
That's a shot that the goaltender should do a better job of. He's left too much room up on the stick side, beating right in the top of the net.
The Predators' second period lead is now 2, and that's not a surprise because they've had the puck most of the time. Neutralized face-off win. Leads that charge into the zone. Stays along the boards. And he shoots. That puck hit him on the way to the net. Skates it across the blue line. Pulls the trigger. Save. Can he clear? Looking to Ruta. Got it at the point. A point hammer shot. Wonderful save. Puck fired down. Decision made. Defenders first. Icing.
The Predators need to acknowledge their goaltender after one of the better saves you will ever see. Somebody get this guy a pass de visual.
Quick work on the faceoff. Shoots it on. Turned aside with a pad. The Predators are skating it up at neutralize. Shoots. Score! He got the post with that one.
Goal scorer put that puck in a shooting position, let it go, and beat the goaltender clean.
Nobody's trying to shoot the puck this perfectly. You're trying to get rid of it in a hurry. Make sure you get to the net before the goalie can get set. The fact it goes off the post and in means it's a perfect shot.
Just a bit under 6 minutes remaining in the second. With the scoring of that goal, the lead now goes to 3. Can they make it 4? Played on to Johnson. Puts one on. They score! They only trail by a pair.
Hedman's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
Saros can't get to that one. As he drops down, the puck goes high at the same time.
Tampa Bay's clawed back to within 2 goals. Lots of time still remaining. Perhaps this will be momentum they can build before the second intermission. Neutral zone face-off 1. Possession established here. Good defensive read with that one. Terrific determination by Duchesne. Skill play by Hedman. Can start the attack going in the zone. Shot on. And a save. Shoots. That's a great save. I was watching for sticks to go up. No celebration this time. Pass attempt to Forsberg. Picked up behind the net. Directed on. He scores. Duchesne.
Right there in the low slot and launches a one-timer off a perfect setup from his teammate.
Low blocker is always a good place to shoot. This shot is perfect. Beats him on the blocker side just above the pad.
The Predators have built an enormous lead and some wonderful confidence here. The coach probably won't have to say much at the end of this second period. Tampa Bay's collected another victory on the faceoff. Good shooting place. And a save. Puck is thrown to Yarncrow. Into the attacking end. Took that right away. Shoots one. The lane was jammed and it hit somebody. Now it's directed to Coleman. Pitching this one to Hedman. Lets it go. Wonderful stop. 2 periods are in the books here, and so 1 more to go, and maybe overtime, but it's been an entertaining first 2. Time to look at the heavy totals for the shots on goal. 25 for Nashville and 17 for the Lightning.
Every playoff game, our team store brings you our item of
Tampa Bay suffering in net. Probably their whole team play needs to be re-examined during this intermission, but the goaltenders had a rough night. Here's an example as we go to break.
Price item of the game. Our start tonight is just $10. Hurry, and supplies are limited.
Forty minutes have been played. They are getting ready for the 3rd period here. So take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?
Nashville's performance has been stellar coming into the 3rd. I would expect more of the same rather than trying to protect the lead against a desperate hockey team.
Period 3 is underway. With Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emery. Lets it go. They score! That's 2 unanswered goals.
That slap shot had some steam on it.
Well, the goalie can only shake his head in dejection here. He thinks he's in perfect shape, but he drops his glove just a bit, and the shot beats him right up top.
Goalie to the bench. Substitution made.
After a while, you're not getting much from your goaltender. He's given up a couple of bad goals. There's been a couple that he hasn't had a chance on. It is time to change the record and get him out of the game.
Nashville's goal has taken them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. 3rd period of play. The Predators look to make a difference up the wing. Collected by McDonough. He gains the zone. Worked in the corner by Stamkos. Takes a shot. Part of generating an offense. A little pass off from the goal. Flings it. Outstanding save. Oh, they had a great chance. Tampa Bay's carrying it up the wing. Chip to Hedman. And the arm of the referee comes up. A penalty. Goalie reaches the bench. Extra man out. Solid work there by McDonough. Passing one off now to Killorn. Howitzer, he got his glove on that one. Nashville's got a minor penalty. It's 2 minutes for interference.
You got to be in control. You just can't run around and hit everybody, especially when they don't have a puck.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play.
I like their setup on the power play that scored earlier, Doc. Let's see if they can get it set up again. Move the penalty killers around for a couple of good chances.
With a shot. Wonderful. Oh, he put it in his own net. It counts against him.
Man, Doc, I don't know what he is thinking. This is a blackout shot into his own net. I can't even come up for an excuse for what he is doing here. He needs to sit down and think about it.
Nashville's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the 3rd period. For the opposition, at least that is fortunate. And the faceoff's won.
Scored shorthanded by number 47.
Feeds the point.
Time of the goal.
Shoots. Oh, what a glove he's got there. The Predators skated up on the side. A shot. Save. They can't find the target.
There's not really much place to go with the shot. He's trying to be perfect. He misses, and the puck rings around the boards.
Tampa Bay's controlling play through center ice. Good place to shoot from. Score! A power play goal yet again.
Palat skating, got him to the front of the net and was able to put in that second chance opportunity.
He thought he had this. He's right there. He's on top of the puck, but it gets past him, and it's in the net behind him.
Nashville's got that neutral zone faceoff. Gathered up by Johansson. Heaves one. Puck loses. Puck held near the point. Propelled to Johansson. Pass cut. Tampa Bay is continuing on up the wing. And he dumps it in to get a line change. Trying to go to Yarncroc. It's an onside play. Got that pass in his own end. Around through the corner right now. Shot. Wonderful save. What skill by both goalie and shooter.
The shooter thought he had a chance, but the goaltender robs him. What a stop.
Shot. Great save in close. On to Ekholm. Moving it to Johansson. Gains that offensive line. Got it all. And decides to just hold on and get a stoppage of play.
You can't deliver the puck much better than that, but the goalie said no chance. That's an excellent save.
The Predators prevail again. Loud pad save. Lets it go. Handled with the stick. Gathered up again by Steven Stamkos. Slid to Gord. He scores! A pair of goals by the same team.
Snapshot is between a slap shot and a wrist shot, and that is textbook snapshot hockey. He finds the back of the net.
Good airtime on this pass, flat when it lands, and the shooter has a walk-in.
The Predators win the draw. What's next? Played on to Arvidsson. They score! What a quick answer to that one.
From my vantage point up here, there was not a lot of room to be able to make that pass. I'm sure, Ray, you got a better vantage point down at ice level.
So many times we focus on the finish of the play, but that's a great pass that opened up room for him to shoot the puck.
Nashville's goal has taken them to an even larger lead on a night that they have had the offense going. Third period of play. In with it now.
By number 95.
Outstanding body contact.
Oh, that one's going to sting. You can't brace yourself like you're up against the boards. That rattles your body top to bottom.
Perfect receipt of the pass. Snapping a pass to Forsberg. Lets it go. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending.
Gord's eyes were as big as saucers. He sees the opponent with his head down, and he steps up for a huge hit.
Nice face-off work. Pitching it to Killorn. Tampa Bay setting up an offense from the wing. Shoots one. Blocked. Full steam up the wing. Approaching the final minute in this game. That puck struck him in front. Directing that one to Killorn. Skates it into the zone. He could start some danger here. Right behind the net. Looks ahead to start something. Tampa Bay's got possession in the defensive zone. To Johnson.
Johnson's creating chances for his teammates with 2 assists so far.
The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Brings it in for an attack. Lets it go. He scores! 2 in a row.
What a quick release on that snapshot. No way he's going to miss from the low slot.
Whoa, it looks like his trapper's got a hole in it there, Edzo. He gets beat low to the glove side.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it? Shoots. Good save. It's going to have to be something tougher than that to score. What a ripper from the point. Great save. Really good cut of the pass. The game is over. And the buzzer sounds. This was surgical.
You need good hands, Doc, to be a surgeon. They had good hands all night long.
So the teams have left the ice and are getting rested for next time. For this time, for Eddie and Ray, Mike Emmerich saying good night.